What's up everyone? Welcome to another video. In this video, I got one of these $200 He-Man Power Swords, which is supposed to replicate the Power Sword in the 2026 Masters of the Universe film. The official Power Sword cost $900, but it was a limited edition and it sold out, so it's not even available anymore and it's not an option, which is why I didn't buy it. But eBay, Etsy, and Amazon are flooded with these $200 swords, so I bought one. Let's check it out, and I'll even test it. Before we get into it, I just want to point out that I grew up as a He-Man kid, and I still have all these guys. Which I should probably sell now that the movie's made them popular again. But I'm just saying, I take my He-Man sword serious, and I'm really excited about this. The Power Sword in the film and the $900 replica are solid, but these $200 swords are not. The blade, the guard, and this piece are separate, and they're not all created equal. On some of them, this piece is pinned on, and on some of them, it's welded on. On some of the swords, it has the Eternian text, and some of them don't. And some of them come with a box, in case you want to leave it in a box. And some come with a sheath, maybe if you want to use it for cosplay or something. Or some come with a wall mount so you can display it. I went with the wall mount and made sure I got that text. And after all my searching to find the right one, I purchased this one from Amazon. So let's go back in time to yesterday, when it got delivered. And the sword has been delivered, so let's check it out. I was pretty excited and decided just to do it right here. I wanted to give it some dignity, so I threw up a table. And sorry I'm wearing a Street Fighter shirt instead of the He-Man shirt, but I was excited and just wanted to dig in, and that's what I was wearing. Alright, don't need this. Oh my gosh, are you serious? This is awesome. We got hardware. We got and the wall hanger. So the first impression was awesome. I was definitely happy with what I got. And here's a close-up of what it looks like straight out of the box. There's the Power Sword, a wall hanger, and its hardware. The pommel just screws on and off, and it's nice and beefy and robust. The grip is a wrapped leather type material, and it looks nice. This portion is cast, and it's hollow. This piece is stamped sheet metal, and it's held in place with 4 welds. 1 at the bottom, 2 at about the midpoint, and 1 at the tip, and it's the same on both sides. And the core is 1 solid plate throughout the whole sword, and you can see it through here where it locates with the casting. And the edge is not sharp, it has a thick blunt edge all the way around. This specific sword was advertised as stainless steel, so let's check it with the magnet. The pommel is stainless steel, the guard is stainless steel, the decorative piece is stainless steel, but it's sticking to the blade, so I'm assuming that is carbon steel. And it's weighing in at 5 pounds, 7.3 ounces, which is equal to 5.5 pounds. And out of the box, the guard, which is cast, is dirty. That's why I have black stuff all over my hands. But it cleaned up super easy with just a wet rag, and I could probably get it looking really good with some more effort. And last is the wall mount. It is particle board, but it'll do the job. I'll probably personally repaint it to suit my aesthetics. It comes with a screw and a drywall anchor to hang it on the wall, and 2 standoffs that need to be installed to hang the sword on it. So, you hang the mount on the wall, then you hang the sword on the mount, like so. The shape is nice, and it looks good on display. And now it's time for the big question, does it work? And I've changed my shirt so I'm appropriately dressed now. I did take fencing classes for several months, but that was about 20 years ago and I'm a little rusty. And it's pretty awful for fencing. And I did take longsword classes for several months, but that was like 10 years ago, so I'm rusty at that too. And it's not great as a longsword, but it's definitely not horrible. But it is 100% fun. As a two-handed sword, my bottom hand is halfway on the pommel, and my top hand is digging into sharp edges under the guard. It's not the best arrangement, but it's still fun overall. But now, does it actually work? By the power of Grayskull. I have the power! And I think that gets us through it. It's not solid like the $900 replica sword, but it is awesome, and I'm really happy with it. I'll probably hang it here and stick a movie poster over it. But either way, I hope you found this helpful or entertaining. Subscribe for more how-to and review videos. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.